Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a swept surface command is discuss here. Okay guys, today discuss here a SolidWorks lecture 3 and SolidWorks surface modeling, learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, today discuss here a very important command is a swept surface. Swept surface is a very useful and helpful command, and create any surface modeling, any new create a design, then this command is very helpful and useful. Okay guys, at first open a SolidWorks software. Okay, this is our SolidWorks software interface, and all command is learn here. Okay, one by one is discuss here. At first okay at first at first select a plane is a front plane, and okay draw a any spline. Okay, spline command is a this. Okay, this command is a this. Okay, and okay, this is a very important, and because swept command is discuss here, and some is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a so nice. Okay, click exit. Okay, and use a any plane is selected, and this point is this. Okay, this is a correct, and okay, and click exit draw any circle. Okay, draw any circle, any polygon, any other. Select here, select a circle. Okay, mention any dimension. This diameter is a 65 is correct. Okay, 75 is also better. Okay, this is a correct, and exit. Okay guys, both is a this profile, this path and this profile is draw here. Okay, click a swept surface, and both is a this is a click a profile and select a path. At first select already select a profile is select here, and this select a path is a select here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, click okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a draw here, and the plane is hide. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, isometric. Okay, isometric draw here. Okay, isometric draw here. Okay, this is a correct. And background is a plain white, and cartoon is select here, and color is a this color is pink, blue. Okay, this is a red, and this is a okay, this color is perfect looking here. And okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, swept surface command is discussed here, and this command is very easily discussed here. Okay, looking so nice. Okay, this is a pipe, and this pipe is a use a swept surface. Okay, okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.